Hello and welcome for another video. For this video we have a Nintendo DS Lite with a flickering top screen. It's not common fault because most of the times when the top screen is flickering it's the bottom screen bad. As you can see, when I press the connector the device works perfectly. This motherboard suffered for a lot of water damage. I cleaned up with APA, but the problem remained for the bottom connector. I came with hot air from above because I don't care if the plastic connector melts, because I will replace it with a good one. Now I will add the leaded solder to lower the melting temperature.
Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time.
As you can see, we have a missing pad. Maybe it was my mistake, or because the water damage is too big and already broke.
Let's take it. You ask me how we got here, 'cause you don't know how. You say it would take.
With the solder wick, I take off the solder because I want to use pure leaded solder and not mix up with the solder from the motherboard, because I need a very low melt temperature.
On water, yeah, we're sinking now. You're looking all concerned, like we're gonna drown. But we both know how to swim, no worries, let's flow for now. Let's take it slow.
Thank you for being here. So if you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you very much.
Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it.
I am using the hot air from behind of motherboard to avoid melting the plastic connector.
Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it. I know I'm not easy. I drag you out your mind. And there are days I hate you, but baby, you're still mine. And we have the best times, no matter what we do. And even when we don't, there's nobody I'd rather choose. Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're